Hi, this is Matt. I'm just going to show you some changes we've made to sticky snaps in version 11. To review, a sticky snap is just a way of getting the snap points of an object to stay on the screen. And to do that, you just hit the tab key when your cursor is over an object. And these sticky snaps will stay here until you hit escape twice. The AS command is auto snaps. These are the snaps I have defined. Endpoints, midpoints, I could put a distance on there. So every 4 inches you'd get a point, ends, and mid. Okay, so let's do a fill here and I'll show you what we've done. IH, seed fill. Okay, this is a hatch. Normally, previous versions of General CAD, you can't snap to the boundary objects at all. I'm doing a nearest point. I can't get that point there. So we expanded on sticky snaps. Now if you hit the tab key while you're in here, you'll get all the vertice points will show when I tabbed over it. If I tab when I'm near an object, I'll just get the snaps for that object. And these are I'm actually extracting the geometry from the hatch boundary. Now if I want to see everything, I can just hit off of an object and I'll finish up with the endpoints. But it will still retain all of the sticky snaps up until that point. And this is the centroid of the hatch. If you don't like using tab, you can hold the shift key down and just click your left button. And that will also create the sticky snaps. Some people have nearest point macro on that on a shift click. So if you remove that macro, then you'll get sticky snaps by default. So what happens when you have a really large hatch boundary? There's probably a couple hundred objects in here. Do we want to see all those points? I don't think so. So here's what we do. I'm just holding the shift key down and clicking. And what I'm doing is I'm finding the 25 closest points to that pick point. And if I hold the shift key down here, I can just add to that. We feel this is the best way to keep things uncluttered and give you access to all the points with just a few clicks. And you can still, if you write on an object, you can get all of the snap points that you have defined. Okay, here's a real case scenario why you would want to use these sticky snaps. Let's say you needed to move that point and snap it to this point. You would just, I'm holding the shift key down and I can either click here and get all of them, all of the points near that point. So I'll do that and then I'll do an object move, pick from that point and click there. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.